Introducing the 2024 Seat Leon 1.0 Etsai 110 HP DSG SE in a sleek grey exterior. This estate model boasts a 1-litre petrol-electric engine with automatic transmission, packed with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth and cruise control for a comfortable ride. Safety is covered with ABS, lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. Stylish additions like roof rails and ambient lighting make this car stand out. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. For more information on this incredible car, call us or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ie. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to drive away in the perfect blend of comfort, style and safety.